Here's a quick video on how to change out a oil drain plug for a Votex drain plug mid oil change. Going to use a vacuum, create a little suction so that I don't lose any oil during the oil change. I've only got 2000K on this one, so I give the dipstick just a crack for a little bit of air. I've done some prep work here. There's a hose. Creates vacuum, and see how this goes. I do have a drain pan here just in case. Just gonna plug it to my finger in the meantime. So I've already got my pressure washer on there, and carefully, no rush, going to install the Votex, which now just needs to be torqued up. I don't know if you can really see it in there, but it's there. And that's it. I'm going to torque it, turn off the vacuum, all done. Now that that is all torqued up and the vacuum's off and I can hear myself think, just want to show you the reason why I chose the Votex is it gives you about 1.5 inches, a little better than clearance from the cap. And I really wanted the low profile drain plug. As I off-road this, you can see the the skid plate has been used and I intend to use it more. So I wanted to get something as low profile as possible. And I can tell you, like, it's probably it's less than 1/2 inch longer than this, the factory drain bolt. So it's pretty low profile, and I'm willing to take the extra time to drain the oil, as I can drain it straight into a receptacle that I use for transporting my dirty oil, and I don't have to drain it into here first and then transfer it into the other. So while that's draining, I'll be doing the filter, which if you own a 3rd gen Tacoma, you know how long that takes, at least 5 minutes, so I'll have time for that to drain. Anyway, hope that helps somebody with the decision that they're facing. Thanks, bye.